Stop paying for expensive developers to manage your website. I'm going to show you the AI tool, how you can do this for yourself. And even if you're non-technical, you can use this AI tool to monitor your website and to scale with ease. Let's get right into using this tool that will allow you to identify spikes in traffic, deciding what you need to do to scale your hosting, and all of those things in just a few clicks. Now, as we look at this, it's going to really depend on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to scale, if you're looking at different possible attacks on your website, all of those different things, you can monitor it using this tool. And if you look at it, no matter what's happening, if you're getting different attacks or you're just getting so many people coming to your site, it's going to be able to handle all of those different things for you. Now, to get started, we'll show you in the back end in just a few moments, but we have a whole video that gives you the breakdown of how much it would cost and best use cases. But let's just talk about if you're running an e-commerce store. Now, if you're doing this and you need to scale, you can be using Cloudways Autonomous. You can sign up for it and use it for free to get started. And once you're there, you're then going to be able to do a couple things with your application. You create your application. Then once you come in, you can do three main things. Number one, we have the overview to see how our site is doing. We can also create a staging environment. That way we can see if we want to test different things with our website without pushing it live if we want. We can also see what's going on with the site, how many people are going, all of those things. We can look at performance, and this will allow us to, again, focus on the caching and see how we can make our site even faster. We can have the CloudFlare CDN, so we can secure our website and APIs and all of those things. And then we can look on the back end if we're going to create backups, restore specific versions of the site. We can look at the staging management as well. And then also, too, we can deploy to Git now, which is a new feature. Now, this is what I really like. The intelligence section right here, you can monitor your server events, see what's going on, look at the logs and everything like that. So that will allow you to see, are there any errors, what's going on. We can also look at the traffic analysis and be up to date with our site without being reactionary and just going in when our site is down. We can see all of this live and be able to get all of those notifications for our website and make sure that we're being effective with our brand and scaling. In the comment section down below, let me know, are you a course creator? Are you an influencer? Are you going to be selling different shows or tickets to shows? Or are you going to be scaling your store? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what you would like to see in solving your problems as you scale your business.